Multilayer perceptrons. The multilayer perceptron is an artificial neural network structure and is a non-parametric estimator that can be used for classification and regression. We discuss the backpropagation algorithm to train a multilayer perceptron for a variety of applications. Introduction: Artificial neural network models, one of which is the perceptron we discuss in this chapter, take their inspiration from the brain. There are cognitive scientists and neuroscientists who aim to understand the functioning of the brain, which started from Posner 1989, Thagard 2005, and toward this aim, build models of the natural neural networks in the brain and make simulation studies. However, in engineering, our aim is not to understand the brain per se, but to build useful machines. We are interested in artificial neural networks because we believe that they may help us build better computer systems. The brain is an information processing device that has some incredible abilities and surpasses current engineering products in many domains, for example, vision, speech recognition, and learning, to name three. These applications have evident economic utility if implemented on machines. If we can understand how the brain performs these functions, we can define solutions to these tasks as formal algorithms and implement them on computers. The human brain is quite different from a computer. Whereas a computer generally has one processor, the brain is composed of a very large 10 to the 11 number of processing units, namely neurons, operating in parallel. Though the details are not known, the processing units are believed to be much simpler and slower than a processor in a computer. What also makes the brain different and is believed to provide its computational power is the large connectivity. Neurons in the brain have connections called synapses to around 10 to the 4th other neurons, all operating in parallel. In a computer, the processor is active and the memory is separate and passive, but it is believed that in the brain, both the processing and the memory are distributed together over the network. Processing is done by the neurons, and the memory is in the synapses between the neurons.